Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Have you ever wondered how far we've come in manipulating the building blocks of life? Let's take a step back in time and explore the dawn of biotechnology. It began with something as simple as the yeast we use to make bread and alcohol. Yes, those ancient artisans, unknowingly, were the first biotechnologists, harnessing the power of tiny organisms to create something new and beneficial. But the real game changer came centuries later with the discovery of DNA. This intricate molecule spiraling within every living cell holds the blueprint of life. Scientists unlocked its secrets and ushered in a new era, the birth of modern biotechnology. Suddenly we were not just harnessing life's processes but actively manipulating them, editing genes and shaping life itself to our needs and desires. From the humble beginnings of brewing and baking to the complexities of DNA manipulation, the journey of biotechnology is truly awe-inspiring. As we stepped into the 20th century, biotechnology began to take a more defined shape. The wheels of innovation were set in motion, leading to several breakthroughs that have had a profound impact on our lives. The first of these breakthroughs came in 1928, with the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming. This wasn't just any ordinary discovery. This was the world's first antibiotic, a miracle drug that gave us the power to fight off bacterial infections. Before penicillin, even a minor scratch could lead to a fatal infection. But with this discovery, the tables turned. We had a new weapon in our arsenal, and it transformed medicine forever. Fast forward to the 1970s, and our understanding of the building blocks of life took a gigantic leap forward. The invention of DNA sequencing allowed scientists to read and understand the genetic code that makes us who we are. It's like being handed the blueprint of life. With this knowledge, we began to unravel the mysteries of genetics, opening up new possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and countless other fields. As the 20th century drew to a close, we achieved one of the most significant milestones in the history of biotechnology: the completion of the Human Genome Project in 2003. This was an international effort to map all the genes in the human genome. Imagine having a detailed map of the entire human genetic makeup at our disposal. It was a game changer. It not only deepened our understanding of human biology, but also paved the way for personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. These breakthroughs laid the foundation for the future, propelling us into a new era of biotechnology. From the discovery of penicillin to DNA sequencing to the mapping of the human genome, each breakthrough brought us one step closer to understanding the complexities of life. And as we continue to push the boundaries of science, who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead. Now, as we navigate the 21st century, the pace of breakthroughs in biotechnology is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. One of the most significant breakthroughs in recent years is CRISPR technology. Imagine a pair of microscopic scissors that can precisely cut and paste DNA sequences. That's essentially what CRISPR does. It's a tool that allows scientists to edit genes with remarkable precision, promising potential cures for genetic disorders, and improving our understanding of the genetic basis of life. But it doesn't stop there. Bioprinting is another fascinating development. This technology uses 3D printing techniques to create living tissue, and even whole organs. Imagine a world where organ transplants are no longer reliant on donors but instead can be printed on demand. It may seem like science fiction, but it's a reality we're inching closer to every day. Finally, let's talk about synthetic biology. This is the design and construction of new biological parts, devices, and systems. It's like playing with life's building blocks to create something entirely new. This could lead to custom-designed organisms that produce biofuels, absorb or detect environmental toxins, or even perform tasks that we can't even imagine yet. So, where does this all lead us? The possibilities are vast and exciting. With CRISPR, we could eradicate genetic diseases and even engineer more resilient crops. Bioprinting could solve the organ shortage crisis and save countless lives. And synthetic biology? It could revolutionize industries from energy to medicine, and even help us understand life itself better. But with great power comes great responsibility. These technologies pose profound ethical and societal questions. Who gets access to gene editing? How do we regulate bioprinted organs? What are the implications of creating synthetic life? These advancements are not just changing the face of medicine, but they are reshaping our world and potentially even our species. So, in a span of just a few decades, we've moved from simply observing life to actively manipulating it. The dawn of biotechnology opened up a new world of possibilities. from understanding the fundamental building blocks of life to harnessing the power of living organisms for our benefit. In the 20th century, breakthroughs like genetic engineering and the development of antibiotics transformed medicine and agriculture. We moved from treating symptoms to targeting the very genes responsible for diseases. We enhanced crop yield and resistance, addressing some of the most pressing food security issues of our time. The momentum of these advancements has only accelerated in the 21st century. With the advent of powerful tools like CRISPR and synthetic biology, we're not just editing genes but designing life from scratch. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. It's happening in laboratories around the world right now, but with great power comes great responsibility. These breakthroughs raise profound ethical questions. Who gets to decide what traits are desirable in a genetically engineered organism? Who should have access to potentially life-altering therapies? And how do we prevent misuse of these powerful tools? Society plays a critical role in shaping the future of biotechnology. Through public discourse, legislation, and education, we can guide the development and application of these technologies in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few. As we reflect on our journey from the dawn of biotechnology to the present, it's clear that we've come a long way, but we're just scratching the surface. There's so much more to discover, so many more challenges to overcome. The pace of progress is breathtaking, and the potential is limitless. We're standing at the precipice of a new era, armed with the tools to reshape life as we know it. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is clear: biotechnology will continue to shape our world, our lives, and perhaps even our very existence.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.